So here's a little video showing how the neck on the Mothman is assembled because I know it's a little confusing. So you want to start with your body wrong side out and your head right side out. Next, to pin it, you're going to flip the body so you see the inside, and you're going to take your head and you're going to match the center front seam just like this. My mark is here, the seam is there, and just pin that. And then you're going to want to pin the very outsides of the seam, so your center back. Do it on both sides. And you should also be able to match the side seam on the head and the side seam on the body. Push the fur in there if you're using fur. And there you go. That's how you assemble the neck.